Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to repay OPay loan. Now, the first step I'd like you to take is to open the OPay app on your device and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, from the home screen, go ahead and check the center of the screen, or the middle corner of the screen. You have airtime, data, bet and TV, OWELT, loan, invitation, and more. Select loan. You select the loan icon to enter the loan management section. So here you see a list of all your active loans. I don't have any active loan here, but from this window you will see a list of your active loans. Now, tap on the loan you wish to repay. Let's go ahead and tap on repayment. Once you tap on repayment button, tap on the loan you wish to pay. Here you find all your active loans. So tap on the loan you wish to repay. Now you'll be presented with several repayment options. Number one, OPay balance. This uses funds available in your OPay wallet to repay the loan, and this is the most straightforward method. Number two, automated direct debit, ADD. This links your bank account or debit card to authorize OPay to automatically deduct the loan amount on the due date. Number three, you have bank transfer. This transfers the repayment amount directly to the provided bank account details. And you have bank card, which uses a linked bank card to make the repayment. So select the method that best suits your preference. Then review the repayment amount and method, ensure all details are correct. Follow the prompts to complete the repayment process. You may be required to enter your PIN or authenticate the transaction. Of course, once the repayment is successful, you'll receive a notification confirming the transaction. If you have set up automated direct debit, ensure your linked bank account or card has sufficient funds to avoid failed transactions. Failure to repay on time may result in additional charges and negatively impact your credit score. You can choose to repay your loan before the due date by following the same steps I have shown you. So go by the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.